Let me show you how to withdraw free money on Cointiply. So guys, Cointiply is a platform where you complete missions, you claim daily streaks, and daily faucet is a pay-to-click platform as well. You participate in surveys and earn money. There are a whole lot of ways to earn on this platform. I've done a couple of videos about Cointiply. Today I want us to withdraw. But before we get into the details, I'd like to get this disclaimer out of the way that this is no financial advice and I'm not a financial expert. So you endeavor to do your research and be responsible for actions taken after watching this. So this is what I have here on my balance. It says I have $41, right? And guys, there are a lot of ways to earn, like I've earlier mentioned. One of them include a mystery box, there is wheel spin, and then there is monthly referral contest. Click on the menu here, click on earn, click on share and earn. And then this right here is the referral contest leaderboard. You don't need to do anything special. Once you invite people within that month, you are automatically on the list, and at the end of the month you receive your rewards. So here you can track your referral count and all of that. So from here, the cash out button is here, ready to withdraw. You have enough coins to make a withdrawal. So you click on start withdrawal here. Now let's scroll through. The minimum withdrawal for BTC is 50 coins, that's $5. 30 coins for Dash, that's $3. $3 for Doge, $3 for Litecoin. Let's scroll a little bit down and see my withdrawal history. I've withdrawn this on the 11th of December. I've withdrawn Doge on 24th August, LTC, right? So I've been here for a while, bro. I've been here for a while. This was like $72. This was like $72 back then. This was $4 plus. This was BTC withdrawal. This BTC withdrawal again, another BTC withdrawal. So I've withdrawn from this platform many times. I withdrew this $72 worth of BTC. I've withdrawn $70 worth of BTC, right? Most of these withdrawals are from referral contest, monthly referral contest. So all you need to do is just sign up, use my invite link, and you will definitely unlock the different ways to earn. So I want to withdraw. Which currency should I withdraw in? We have Dash, we have BTC. Let me withdraw in Litecoin, LTC. So I'll tap on LTC here. Let's go get my wallet address. So I'm on Bybit. I click on deposit here. Select deposit crypto. Select LTC. Minimum deposit amount is this. It's good you pay attention to that. Copy the address. Bring it over. Paste it here. The amount. Now it's even here. So I just tap here. That has been imputed. I'll provide my password. And then I click on submit withdrawal. Says your withdrawal has been submitted, but you must approve it via email. Okay. So I've received this in my inbox. So you click on approve this payment. You click on approve my payment. Payment approved, and the status is pending. Your withdrawal will be reviewed by the Cointiply team before it is sent. Most payments go out within 24 to 48 hours, and many are processed even sooner. If anything needs your attention, we email you with details, right? So my balance has been refreshed, and it shows that I now have zero balance, right? So guys, as soon as I receive this, I will not hesitate to share with you a payment proof. I've been here since 6 years ago, right? And it's still paying. So guys, look it up, go look it up. So thanks. You find my invite link in the pinned comment as well as in the description box of this video, so you register. I do not own this platform and I'm not a financial expert, so you endeavor to do your research and be responsible for actions taken after watching this. Thanks, and do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.